Have you seen this creature? A bird-like creature with two heads on a human-like body. If you notice, this creature lifts a huge elephant with one hand. From this, we can understand that this creature is much bigger than an elephant. But actually, there is no such creature anywhere on our earth. And if you understand what this creature is, write about this creature in the comment section below. I will give you a hint about this creature. It is the official state emblem of Karnataka. If you understand, pause the video and comment below before watching the full video.